Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your PC name on Windows 11. So firstly, head over to your settings application. Then on your settings application, you go to system. Then on system, you scroll down till you see about. So once you click on about, you're going to see an option where they've imputed your laptop name and your desktop name also. So you just click on rename this PC, and then you'll be able to input the new name. So once you've inputted the new name, you click on next and you'll be prompted to restart your PC. So after restarting the PC, then you see you've been able to change your name successfully. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this.